So as you can tell by the title, unfortunately this is not a project video. This past week just completely got away from me, and I didn't have time to actually do any hands-on time with this project. So unfortunately, no time on the project means, well, there's no video. I could have put together a fluff piece, but I didn't want to do that. And I don't really think you guys appreciate watching stuff like that. So I figured it'd be best just to wait until I could actually put something together that's going to be good. Now, I have started work on what's going to be coming out next Sunday, and that is the modification of this cockpit area. And I'll go into more detail next weekend when I'm explaining kind of my reasoning for wanting to do this. But you'll have to wait to see that till next Sunday. So until then, have a great week, and I'll see you next Sunday morning.
This has been a Boatworks Today production.